Hello little artist! Today we are going to draw yummy grapes and a sweet pineapple together. Let's start the fun, but first subscribe to my channel and like this video. First I am drawing the little stem on the top of the grapes. Let's make a beautiful leafy shape on the left side. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Let's make another cute leaf on the other side. Both leaves are looking so pretty. Now I'm drawing lots of small round grapes under the leaves. Great job, kids! You are doing a great job. The grapes bunch is looking so cute. Now let's draw a pineapple. First I am drawing the small leaves on the top of the pineapple. Let's make many pointy leaves one by one. The pineapple crown is looking amazing. Now I am drawing the big pineapple body under the leaves. The pineapple shape is ready. Now I am drawing the crisscross pattern inside the pineapple. This pattern makes the pineapple looks real. Share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more fun drawing videos. Great job, kids! Our pineapple drawing is ready. First I am coloring the top stem with brown color. The brown stem is looking neat and natural. Now I am coloring the left leaf with green color. Color gently and stay inside the outline. Now it's time to color the right leaf green. I'm coloring the second leaf very neatly. Now I'm coloring the grapes with purple color. Grapes are very healthy and juicy fruits. Grapes give us energy to play and learn. They are full of vitamins that help our body stay strong. Eating grapes is good for our eyes and skin. Purple grapes are sweet, tasty and healthy for kids. Now I'm coloring the pineapple leaves green. Pineapple is a yummy and healthy tropical fruit. It is full of vitamin C, which helps us stay strong.
Wow!
Now I am coloring the pineapple body yellow. Color slowly and neatly. Stay inside the lines. Pineapple is juicy, sweet and very refreshing. Healthy fruits like pineapple help kids grow strong and active. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.